the Renko Chart indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader chart and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and, by dragging the file onto the chart, we execute the indicator. Just make sure to activate the Allow DLL Imports option from the command section, and then click on Confirm. Once the indicator is executed on the chart, a histogram window is displayed at the bottom of the chart. The Renko indicator is a practical and suitable tool for identifying bullish and bearish trends within the market. It performs its calculations based on the pips we input in the entry section and displays them to us in the form of histogram bars. The Renko indicator considers the specified amount of pips as a box and determines how much this pip movement corresponds to a bullish or bearish trend. For example, if we enter 50 pips, in the input section, if the price moves by 50 pips or more, it is considered as a bullish or bearish box and is displayed as a histogram. In the settings section, under the input section, there are two options available for us. In the first section, you can select the settings for the price movement amount for calculations, which is set to 50 pips by default. You can increase or decrease this amount. In the next section, you can choose the reversal period, which is the minimum amount set for trend change, to prevent repeated trend changes and reduce trend noise. For example, in this section, if we increase this amount, we can see more frequent and simpler trends. If this amount is decreased, you can observe repeated trend changes here. For instance, I enter the value 5 here and then confirm it. As you can see in this section, the trends have become unified for me and the trends are displayed consecutively for me. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.